Quora is a very authoritative site in the eyes of Google. It's also a very good place where people are seeking answers for their questions. Hence, it's very easy to answer those questions and give your website a backlink throughout the process. This method does not rely on driving traffic to your website. It simply relies on the backlink. That's all you're after. No traffic, just the backlink. For example, you can answer a question that was posted up 7 years ago and has over 100 replies to it with answers. You can simply still put your answer up and include your website so that you get an extra backlink. Now I want to jump onto the computer and show you exactly how this is done and how to do it properly.
This is basically what you guys want to do. I'll pop a link on the screen showing you the link that you guys want to jump onto. Quora.com. You guys want to go up to the top right over here and click onto a topic. So let's say we want to stay on the pet supplies niche. You know, pet supplies. People will be asking questions like, are pet supplies still available via niche for dropshipping? Where can I get discount pet supplies? Okay, click onto this one. Again, doesn't matter when this was asked or how many answers it has. This is not for traffic. It's purely just for backlinks. Now, you want to click onto answer. The way you guys want to answer the question is you want to try and make it as buff as possible, so as big as you can. And you guys want to say, for example, where can I get discount pet supplies? You can get discounted pet supplies here. I have been using them for ages. You guys can talk, obviously, make it pretty buff. And then when you guys go to add your link, you can just paste your link to your website like this. And then if you go enter, automatically it will have the heading of your website. So whatever you've included as your the URL heading, it will add this over here. So it looks nice and neat. Or you guys say you want to add the link in here, you double click on the here, click on the anchor, link, put it in and click add. So now when someone clicks onto this button here, they can go straight to the website. So let me quickly put it here, submit it real quick, just so you guys can see the example. Obviously delete it because I don't want, doesn't look too good. Okay, so you can get discounted pet supplies here. I've been used for ages, and it also had, you can put your website like this, or you can put it through here. So if I click onto the website here, it's automatically a backlink that goes straight back to my website. Or if I click onto the word here, it's automatically a backlink that goes straight to my website as well. So as you guys can see, both methods work. It depends the way you want to do it. You can put it inside a word or just have it as a nice looking title.
So as you guys saw, you were able to search an array of questions in your niche and answer those questions and include your backlink in those answers, which eventually is adding backlinks towards your website. So in general, it's something super easy and also free to get backlinks directly to your website from an authoritative site like Quora. So we've reached the end of stage 1, which we talked about blog comments, social signals, and Quora links. These are going to give you easy backlinks, and if you do them right, you're able to rank your website using these 3 methods alone. Once again, blog comments, social signals, and Quora backlinks. However, we do recommend doing this consistently, so every single day for 2 weeks, where you're doing 5 blog comments, 5 Quora links, and sending some social shares to your webpage and also to some articles every single day for 2 weeks before you decide to go on to stage 2. In stage 2, we're going to be talking about how to get more powerful backlinks, and that will be explained all in an